They in here?
And if I give it a squeeze, perfect prank to pull at school or the office. It looks totally dangerous. Somebody going around scaring people. Take a little pencil just like this. We can split it in 3 pieces and then magically restore it. Oh! What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Eric. I got my daughter Ava with me today, and we are showing you 7 magic April Fool's pranks.
April Fools.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. This first one is a really fun magic prank that you can set up at home.
Check it out. They in here? Why did you do that? What is it?
Silly string.
Oh, it stinks.
You're welcome. Okay, here's all you need to set up this fun April Fool's prank. So you're going to need some silly string, you're going to need some string, a push pin, and some duct tape. The first step here is to take your push pin and you're going to insert it into the nozzle of the silly string, just like this, and push until you feel it stop. Now what this is going to do is plug the nozzle of the silly string from shooting out. Once you have the push pin in place as a stopper, you're going to take your duct tape, press down the lid of the silly string, and then tape it in place. Our next step is to tie a piece of string around the push pin just like this. Position the can of silly string in the cabinet so that when you tape it in place, you're then going to take the other end of the string, once you have it cut to length, stick it in place on a piece of tape just like this. When you pull it and the door to the cabinet opens, it pulls the push pin out, releasing the silly string and unleashing your April Fool's Day prank. Did it get in your face?
Yes, it's in my
Oh
eye.
boy, that's bad. It's 100% harmless and safe.
Oh, it's in my hair.
The packaging
It's in
says
my
it's
hair.
safe.
It's in my hair. It's stuck in my hair.
Yeah, watch this. Oh gosh. Oh. No.
You want me to pull it out?
Oh, this is, oh gosh. Oh yeah, that's bad. No, don't pull it out. Don't pull it out. Oh boy. This is a super easy one to set up at home. It looks totally dangerous and painful, but it is not at all. It's totally safe. You're going to need a staple gun. That's the first thing you're going to need, and you're going to make sure there are absolutely 0 staples in the staple gun. That is key to the safety of this trick. So you're going to open it up. If there's any staples in it, you're going to remove them just like this. Close up the staple gun and then fire it a few times to make sure it's completely empty. Then you're going to need a single staple. You'll also need some rubber cement. We have rubber cement available at evaneriatv.com if you want to get some. There's a lot of different tricks you can do with rubber cement. And then you'll also need some wire clippers, wire snips. We're going to take the staple and the wire snips. We're going to clip the little legs of the staple, these little prongs. We're going to clip them about halfway down. And you're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Just snip it off about right there. Then going to take just a tiny little dab of rubber cement on each one of the ends of the prong like this. And then you're going to stick it in place on the back of your hand just like that. The rubber cement will hold the staple in place on your hand just like this, and it really does create a convincing illusion that it is through your hand. Let the rubber cement dry for a minute before you show the prank to anyone. Now once the rubber cement has dried, you're ready to start the prank. You don't want to put it all the way on your hand. You want to leave a little bit of space and then click it just like that, and then you have to react as if you really just stapled your hand. Oh gosh, oh yeah, that's bad. No, don't pull it out, don't pull it out. Oh boy. Super funny April Fool's prank, and it's totally harmless. Once they freaked out, you can just remove it from your hand, show them that there's nothing to be worried about. Veronica, come here.
Are you filming?
This is one of my favorite April Fool's pranks of all time. The prank is absolutely hilarious. So all you need to set this prank up is some plastic wrap. It's also called cling film in other countries, saran wrap. It's just this plastic clear film that you use in the kitchen. And then you're also going to need some tape. The only other thing you'll need is a doorway. You're going to take a piece of tape, attach it to the end of the cling film, and just tape it in place on the door frame. Then we're going to stretch it across the door, so when they come around the corner, they'll run right into it, and it's like an invisible door. Super funny. And just like that, you have your invisible door in place. Just wait for someone to walk through the doorway, or you can call them into the room. Then sit back and wait for them to walk into your prank.
Are you serious?
Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you with this pencil. It's a little plastic pencil. Check it out for me. Inspect it. Verify for everyone at home that it is indeed a solid little plastic pencil.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I also have this right here. It's like a little scaled down version of a big stage magic prop. 3 little windows in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide the pencil right here inside there. You can see it going in and out. You wanna slide it in there? Push it the rest of the way in. Perfect. So we have the little pencil in the case. Watch, if I just push down like that, we split the pencil into 3 pieces, but watch. See how it's split? We can actually just hold out your hand. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's the explanation to the magic zigzag pencil trick. This is a classic magic trick, and this prop is completely self-working. It does all the magic for you. So all you have to do is slide the little plastic pencil into the case, and then push the middle compartment, and it will reveal hidden pieces of the pencils hidden inside the case. So if you look, when it shifts in slow motion, you can see this shifts down. There's actually a pencil piece hidden here that it reveals, and then these 2 shift down as well to reveal those 2 pieces that are hidden there. Then the full real pencil is contained in this part right here, so that when you push it back, it reveals the real pencil again. But when you do it fast, it's totally undetectable. It looks like it just splits into 3 pieces and then just magically restores. We have these available at evanaratv.com right now. Such a super easy and amazing magic trick. Pick one up today and fool your friends and family, or stay tuned for the giveaway and win one at the end of this video.
Who did this? Oh my... Seriously, how am I supposed to cut this off? I'm gonna break this scissors.
Okay, this one is less of a magic trick and more of just a fun prank to play on your friends and family. People in your office, this would be a good one to do to them. So take their scissors, you're gonna take a zip tie and just zip tie the handle of the scissors. As you can imagine, the funny thing about this prank is that they need the scissors to get the zip tie off, but you've zip tied the handle so they can't use the scissors. Super funny April Fool's prank. It's easy to do. You can get some zip ties at home, grab their scissors, and prank it up. Hey Ava, you know April Fool's Day is coming up. I just wanted to warn you, there's somebody going around scaring people.
Who did that?
So a super simple explanation to this one. You're just gonna put a glove on your other hand. You wanna stand in a doorway with your arm hidden behind it. So you're standing right behind a doorway like this. So it's hiding your hand behind it. You wanna make sure the person's on the other side of the wall and they're looking at it from the right angle. And then you just reach your arm out and grab your shoulder and act like you put yourself into the other room.
No, wait, give me a sec.
Super funny April Fool's prank that you can pull off at home. No practice. Okay, watch. I have a little juice box here. Just gonna take the straw, put it in my ear, and if I give it a squeeze, it squirts the juice right through my head. The secret to this one is 2 juice boxes, and you need someone behind you to squirt the juice on that side. So this is all about timing and the angle that you line it up. When I squeeze this juice box into this here, I'm not actually squeezing it, so no juice is actually coming out.
It's me.
V's gonna squeeze that juice box, and it looks like it's just coming out of my other ear. Super cool illusion that you can pull off this April Fool's Day and fool your friends and family. All right, guys, happy April Fool's Day. I hope you have some fun pranking your friends and family with these fun magic pranks. And be sure to leave a thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed it. Leave us a comment in the comment section down below. We're doing a giveaway for this video. I'm giving away 7 of the magic zigzag pencils to 7 lucky comments. The more comments you leave on the video, the better your chances of winning the giveaway. And it's time to announce our giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The giveaway winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Be sure to send us your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, you can catch up by watching it right over there. The shop is right down there if you want to grab any of the merch from this episode. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Happy April Fool's Day.